Hello, good morning all. Today in this video we are going to discuss regarding what has to be done once you got an error like this. So currently in the screen you can see there is an internal server error message. The server encountered an internal error and was unable to complete your request. Either the server is overloaded or there is an error in application. So once you have got such an error, what actually you have to do? You have to post the same error in the forum or in the social medias? No. First of all, once you have got such an error, you have to look at the log file of the Odoo. So I have seen many people are doing what they will just copy paste this error and asking, I'm getting like this, what has to be done? So once you get this error, you have to go to your log file. So once you check your log file, definitely you will have hint. So right now I'll go to my PyCharm so that I can see the log. So if I go to the PyCharm and if I check the log, here you can see password authentication failed for user 12 Odoo. So right now we have got an error here because I have just given the DB password wrongly for making an internal server error. So if I just once you go through this error message, you can see password authentication failed. So you will get a hint about what is the issue. But if you check here, there is no any hints about the issue. Just you will see only internal server error. So once you get this error, just go to your log file and see what is the issue. So if I check the log file, you can see the password is wrong. So if I correct my password and if I restart the service, so I have just updated to correct password and I'll just restart the service. And if I come to the browser and if I reload the screen, you can see the Odoo instance has been loaded correctly. So this is my as my local instance. Suppose if you are running or if you got such an error inside your server, you can just go. So here you can see I have already installed. So if I go to my configuration file, sudo nano odoo prod.conf, so I'll just enter my password. Inside your configuration file, you can see the path to the log file. So currently for my Odoo production instance, the path to the log file is /var log odoo prod.log. So you can just go to cd/var log odoo and sudo tail -f odoo prod.log, and if you open, you will get the details regarding the error here. So once you get internal server error or 500 internal server, just go to the log file and see what's there inside and fix accordingly. So we cannot say the error due to a particular reason, and it can be of n reasons. So once we see only the error, we can give a solution on it. So once you get internal server in the UI, don't copy paste the error and post it somewhere. Just go to the log file and see what's there inside. So this is just an information video which will be helpful for someone. So that's all about this video. Thank you.